Today, a 15-year-old boy will go home to his family after a judge in Twiggs County ruled to return custody to his parents, who are facing charges of reckless conduct. 41 NBC's Joy Dukes was there. She joins us now with more.
For Matthew and Susanna Brill, Monday morning was an emotional one. Almost 3 months after losing their son to the state for giving him marijuana to treat his seizures, they were reunited and overjoyed about it.
I mean, that there's no describing it. He gets to go home.
Sheer bliss as Susanna Brill hugs her son David Ray for the first time since regaining custody.
I am happy to be with my mom because she knows my seizures best and all that.
She and her husband Matthew lost custody of their son in April when they were arrested and charged for giving him marijuana to remedy his frequent seizures.
My darkest day was while I was sitting in Twiggs County jail for 6 days, wondering if my son was going to live.
Now, months later, they're rejoicing a lighter day.
As soon as he said that he agreed with DFACS's recommendation for him to come home, I melted.
A day they believe is a first step towards justice after a family court judge ruled in their favor under terms of a year-long protective order.
Turning him to his parents today was the right decision for everyone involved. There are other legal issues that will continue, but sending David Ray home to Susanna is definitely the right choice, and it's the way to move forward to restore this young man to the place where he's the safest.
The next step is getting David the help he needs, and charges against both of them dismissed. They say they're ready to fight the state, the courts, and the law for their son and others like him. Now, under that protective order, David's family will be required to maintain visits from DFACS twice a month, submit monthly drug tests for David, and continue to ensure that he's taking his prescribed medications. Right now, they're working with a doctor out of Atlanta to get David on the registry for medical cannabis. Michael?
Well, David's mother says their next legal hurdle is getting charges dismissed against them for giving David the drugs to begin with. She says it's a possibility she'd be an advocate for legalization in the state with a legislative session coming up in January.